Guys, Jamie here, out fishing at Waitara River mouth. Just not on, got the line out in the water, so got the old 15 piece out again, the old 15 footer. But I'm out with a mate, I've known for a few years, Hayden. He's not back yet, but he's got one rod out. He's got his partner's brother-in-law out fishing with him. Just put a livey out, so see what comes on. But it's a beautiful day on Waitara, sea's nice and calm, so hopefully the fish come along, and I'll fill you in if I get any more bites or land any fish. Right, sweet, see you all shortly, hopefully. Oh, my mate's got some baits happening on his line, so and that's my mate Hayden. So the tide's coming in it now, but still quite calm. I've got anchovy pulley combo at the moment, so it could be, but who knows, bro? See if he's got any bait left on his line. Oh, nothing. Might have to rebait, bro. Nah, rebait. But nah, it's a beautiful day. Can't complain. Water's a nice little temp. Here comes a jet ski boat coming in. It's a beautiful day in Waitara. So, I've never fished in this little spot before, but now I'm going to be in a try. Hopefully get something. Alright, I'll fill you in when I land something or anything happens. Nothing so far, guys. Not a single nibble yet, but still an incoming tide. Some boats have come in on the fish. Don't know if they've got anything yet. But one person said they got a small kahawai just around the corner in the river. But I've changed out my rig to a poly rig. So with half pilchard, tied on, so hopefully something will come along anyways. But no, it's a beautiful day. Some people are packed up going home, and I'm going to stay until for a more few hours, and if I don't catch anything I'll just head on home or something. But I'll keep you informed, guys. Cheers. Had some nibbles on his line, but just wait and see. Oh, bro. It was going doink doink. But I've just seen a seal going across the actual bar. Oh, it looks like he might be on. There's something out there. Maybe not. But there's something just going along the water edge. Might be in the seal I've seen, so just wait and see. I haven't had any bites just yet. But just waiting and waiting. Alright, I'll fill you back in, guys. Getting some little bites on his line. But no, oh, that's a good hit. Just wait for it to bend the old rod. But nothing on mine so far yet. Just put a fresh bait on mine. Just see what happens. Whoa! Mine on, mine on! Woohoo! Sorry about the sun facing you guys. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo. You gotta pick up my phone, bro. Hey. Pick up my phone off the tackle box. Record me. It's recording, bro.
I record when we get a bigger one, bro.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah.
That's alright.
Nice little carway. Not too big, but not too small. Nope, my phone on the fucking sand. Shit. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. One small carway. Rebait. Oh yeah. Fucker. Right, I'm going to pause, guys. Yeah, so I got one small carway, which would be good for raw fish for I'm going to make back to our neighbour, because she's been hanging out for that. But yeah, I've just got a anchovy mix on. I had it earlier on, but I had it chilling in the chili bin with ice packs and that, so hopefully that'll do some damage soon. But I'm going to rebait the other hook and send that out when it's ready. But hopefully I'll get more fish coming on, guys. Cheers. My mate's just having some wicked little bites on his line, but the one in the blue top noticed my line was going off, so he pointed and sure enough it was going off. But yeah, so hopefully some more bites come on and I'll be away laughing. But yeah, I'm giving the carway, going to fill it up and that, give it to the neighbour, but don't, and give it to her for raw fish. So yeah, nah, hopefully more bites on soon. Sweet, see you all shortly. Just had some more bites, but yeah, just dropped dead at the moment. Got some decent knocks, but yeah, just seeing I just chuck a whole anchovy on, nice squid. So yeah, hopefully I've still got 8, but who knows? Flew you in. Hey guys, yeah, I only got one carway, had another one, but yeah, didn't take the hook. So yeah, packed up, came home, got the gnarly fucking sunburn, as you can tell. But yeah, I may be going back out fishing during the weekend. See what happens anyway. Gave the carway, I filleted the carway and that, gave it to the back door neighbour so she could have raw fish, hopefully, depends on what she needs for it. And if I go back out during the weekend and I catch some more, I'll give her some more and have some for ourselves. Yeah, see what happens anyway. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you're around the world. But yeah, peace out, guys. See ya.